Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss different scenario. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'm gonna explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain. So what are the tables I have imported from designing this report under? Okay. So category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, select rank, so subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we can see that there is one select rank table. So here I have created this rank for taking the slicer purpose. Okay, so I'll try to show what kind of data it is. Go to the column tab, just click on select rank. So now we can see that so we have two columns, one is ranking, another one is number. Here we can see that top 3, 5, 7, 10. So I have used this one as a slicer. Sometimes it's not giving the order properly, like ascending and descending order. So that is the reason I have taken another column help to make it slicing and dicing in ascending and descending order. So that is the reason I have created this table. And now we'll go to the model tab and understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension table and fact table. So click on model, so collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that I have already established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. Okay, for example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that so based on this key I have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. Even the filter propagation flowing from one direction to many direction, it means that based on based on that, it's from dimension to fact table. So I'll try to talk more on this in upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to focus on today's report only. Just click on report. So this is the table visual, and here we have two slices. One is the date slicer, another one is top slicer. So this is the card visual. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to calculate the each product wise top customer sales in ascending order. Okay, we can call it as a bottom customer sales. So each product wise based on the slicer selection as well as the date range. Based on this date range, I want to see the each product wise either top 3, 5, 7, 10. Based on this selection automatically, so we are finding the each product wise customer sales in ascending order, and also we are calculating the total. So for example, if I select top 3, so each product wise top 3 customer sales, with I am taking the total customer sales, so by taking the percentage. So what is the contribution of the each customer wise in that specific the product. Okay, so now I'll try to reset the slicers. So now we can see that based on the slicer selection automatically this it's getting changed, right? Now we can see I will click on the top 3. It's still loading, so we'll wait to get what it is. So it's still loading. So top product, I think some problem is there, so we'll wait for still no. Okay, so okay, let it load. So based on here how it works here, based on the slicer selection automatically we are trying to see the So each product with the customer details in ascending order and taking the total of those customer sales and finally taking the percentage. So how much percentage contribution might you will see that 20%, 20%, because the sales for the each customer is very close, very close. So 220.3 to 34, that is the reason we are able to see the 2020. So it's giving the proper only output. Even you can slice whether you want top 10 customer sales each product wise, the top 7 5, like that we can see. And I'll try to show what kind of expressions, the logic I have written to get this expected output and all. Okay, so first one is total sales. So meanwhile I'll try to click on top 10. So before, so total sales, so let's try to zoom it. Now you can see, right? So based on a calculate and some x function, I'm trying to calculate the total sales. Now top customer sales. So here I have used the selected value function. Whatever the selection done from the top slicer, I'm capturing and storing into this variable, and after that I am declared another variable sales here by using the calculate sum x and finally using top end function. Whatever the slicer selection, I am trying to take it here. So instead of making the hard code value, it's dynamically we are capturing, and finally I'm using the filter function because there are some cases some customers do not have sales for any product. So I'm just trying to ignore those customers. So I'm just taking the customers which are having the sales. So and finally bring in the context for the customer, so each product wise. Okay, so it gives the top customer sales. This one total customer, this is the total value. Okay, here also same thing like what I've shown previously, but here I use the rank x function and taking only the slicer, whether it when you click on 3 means I'm just giving the 3 only, so 5 means 5. So like that I have written the expression and all, and finally I'm validating, so whether it is a blank or not. If the blank, written the blank, otherwise written whatever the expression I have executed here, it will execute. And finally I'm just taking the percentage, the total customer sales, top customer sales by total customer sales, and taking the date range. So by using concatenate function, so I have taken the min date and max date. Based on that I'm trying to capturing those date range into this card visual. Okay, now you can see so this is each product wise top customer sales in ascending order. So but if you notice here, most of the customer sales are like very close to 20 220.3141, something like that. So that is the reason we can able to see the each customer 10% contribution. So it is it's working perfectly, but due to the sales of that, it's giving the 10% for each customer. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for other videos. So thank you so much for watching.